Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I cook Ofada sauce, Ofada stew recipe that everyone always longs for more whenever they eat this very Ofada sauce. Exactly what you're seeing on the screen right now, hand licking Ofada sauce. Everyone, let's cook together. So here are the ingredients. I have freshly chopped onions. Ofada stew requires onions, enough onions. Next, I have green scotch bonnet pepper. The perfect Ofada sauce or the best Ofada sauce is made with green scotch bonnet pepper, green bell pepper, and enough onions. And here I got some, though not plenty, but it is quite enough for the sauce I'm making today. So that's my green bell pepper. I'm going to blend this very rough. You blend it rough, not smooth. So after blending, this is what it looked like. So next, I'm going to put this on fire to boil for 20 good minutes. Do the same depending on the features of your gas and the quantity of pests you are cooking. So after cooking it, I've already put it on the strainer and all the water is gone. Do the same thing. So this is what it looked like after cooking. Next, I have other ingredients. I have palm oil, I have fresh locust beans, which is must use in your Ofada sauce. Then I love using Assorted for my Ofada stew. It's very nice. Next, I have crayfish, I have salt to taste, I have assorted stock. If you want to know how I got this stock, the beef stock, please click one of the link below to watch how I prepare meat for my cookings. So to blanch the oil, the palm oil, you get a very good pot that has a very good cover or a lid. So cover this to blanch for 2 minutes depending on the quantity of the palm oil you are using. Please make sure it is properly covered so that the smoke doesn't take over your kitchen. And after blanching for 2 minutes, I'll allow it to cool before opening the pot so you won't get choked up or the whole kitchen, the smoke takes over the whole kitchen. So next, after the oil cools down, I will add my already chopped onions and stay for a minute. Doing this gives a very nice flavor and aroma to my Ofada sauce or Ofada stew. Then next, I will add locust beans, which is most used in your Ofada sauce. So after adding, I will also stir it for a minute to give it that Ofada sauce aroma and Ofada stew taste. So everyone, don't go away. We are cooking Ofada sauce, hand licking Ofada stew. Must eat Ofada stew, everyone. So after frying all of that for 2 minutes, next I will add green bell peppers, red bell pepper, onions, all the paste together, and then stir it to combine or stir to mix properly. And then I will add my dry sardines, fish. It's also very tasty, man. It's going to be very yummy, everyone. All right, so after adding all this, I'm going to cover it to simmer for 10 minutes to allow the oil to come up. So this is it. So you continue to stir this for at least 30 minutes. Please don't leave it to burn. I believe you don't like a burn taste of Ofada stew. So continue to stir, stir. So I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt to taste. In today's video, I'm not using seasoning because the stock had enough seasoning already. So I'm just adding crayfish to taste. Crayfish is optional. You could decide not to add it, but I love to add it to my yummy Ofada stew, the hand licking Ofada sauce that everyone loves for. So I'll cover that for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll continue to stir on a medium heat depending on the features of your gas cooker. So I'll continue to stir this it's supposed to be very dry, so you notice what it look like. So this is the first of the Ofada sauce you will get when you use green bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. So next, I'm going to add all the assorted, the beef, the cow leg, the liver, the kidney, the cow skin, all are in there chopped together. So I'm going to add it and stir it combined with the sauce so that it will be very juicy while eating it. Hello everyone, all my Jenny subscribers, thanks so much for all your support. And if you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated weekly on this channel. So I'm going to cook the eggs for our Ofada sauce. So I allow the water to boil before adding the egg. Then I'll allow this to cook for at least 15 to 10 minutes. And after then, it is cooked and ready for our Ofada sauce. So I'll peel it. Then this is what our Ofada sauce is turning out to be. I'm adding the meat stock now. You could add more meat stock, but I love it thick. So if you do like it this same way, just add 25 ml or 60 ml of water and continue cooking. So our yummy Ofada stew is coming out very well, as you can see on the screen. Don't go away. I'm already thinking of which rice to eat this with. Well, any rice could go with this. Basmati rice, local rice, the choice is yours. So if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe. And all the ingredients used for today's tutorial will be at the description button down below. All the ingredients used in today's video. So this is our Ofada sauce. The hand-licking Ofada sauce is ready. Eating with any rice of your choice. We serve this in parties. All parties have Ofada sauce. Hand-licking Ofada sauce. So stay safe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.